Hi! So if you can tell, or if you watched yesterday's video, I'm in the same outfit. I'm filming multiple videos today, and I guess I was too lazy to change. But I'm super excited because I have 2 Target beauty boxes for the month of September, and they are still available. I just checked minutes ago, so hopefully it remains that way. Usually they sell pretty fast, so they're only $7 each. One is a beauty box, and one's a beauty facial box or something like that. I don't know what one's what. I'm guessing this one's a beauty box. It's a little bit heavier. Like I would think face masks are lighter, but I don't know. So we'll get looking. So I just checked, and I think it ships only to US territories, but not Alaska and Hawaii, and it's free shipping. And if you have a red card, you save a little bit of money. So I think for 2 of them, because I have a red card, a Target red card, it was like $13 and something cents free shipping. So super awesome. I am just going to get unboxing. I will leave the link as usual below. And if you're interested, definitely sign up to get one now because they do sell out pretty quickly. So, cute prints. They both have like a little floral print. And I do not know what's in them. Like I know one's has sheet masks and stuff like that. It's all about facials. But anyways, let's see what this one is. Okay, I think I opened the beauty one first, the one that was heavier. It says, Hello Beauty Reboot. It says, summer will miss you, but it's time to reboot our beauty routine, so we're primed just in time for autumn. Inside this box, you'll find a few of our faves that will give your regimen fall perfect polish. Try them out, and if you love them as much as we do, find the full-size version at target.com/beautybox. Okay. And then on the back it says all the items. It doesn't say the pricing of the items, but there are some like tips and hints, and then there's a $3 off coupon which you could use on beauty purchases of $15 or more, and it's valid through the end of this month. So this is what it looks like on the inside. Ooh, let's see, I'm just gonna grab the first thing. Oh, I love dry shampoos, you guys know that. This is Extra Strength Refresh and Restore Coconut Miracle Oil Dry Shampoo. This is pretty big, bigger than a lot of dry shampoo sample sizes. So this is 50 grams or 80 mLs. Nice. Let's see if there's any hints on this one. It says, a trick, spritz onto roots at night. This helps it fully absorb so you'll wake up with lush locks. I've heard that before. I think Tati said that in a recent video. I haven't tried that in a while. I should do that because I do feel like I wake up with like oily hair, probably because it's sweaty, and I shower in the mornings typically. So I'm gonna try that later. I love the smell of coconut, so I'm super excited about that. And I think this will last a decent amount of time. Like sometimes the samples that are half the size don't last too long, so you can get a good idea if you like it or not and purchase it at Target with your $3 off coupon. All right, and this is the next product. Okay, so I know some people are having trouble with things leaking. Like I had a lotion open last time, but lotions are so thick it wasn't a big issue. So it must not have been just me. I know just Anne had a video where her whole thing leaked. So they have this little gripper on it now. It's like a tape, so make sure that things don't, oh yeah, it's on all the products, so it must have been a big issue. So that's good. Yeah, the gripper helps prevent liquid leaks. So, you know, they heard our messages loud and clear, so that's awesome. I'm glad they took action on that pretty quickly. That was last month. So, anyways, Wild Rose body cream wash. I love the scent of rose. So, yeah, it says it has a scent of Damascene roses. That must be a type of roses. I'm probably butchering how you say that. Let's see if there's some tips or anything like that. Nope, it just says it's a creamy, moisture-rich body wash formulated with essential oils that leave skin feeling silky smooth and smells yummy. I love the smell of roses, and this is a pretty good size for body wash. I don't use too much, you know, I try not to be wasteful. I have one open now, but I definitely will try this out when I'm in need. Yeah, see, it has the gripper on it too. This smart idea, Target. Anyways, this is Olay Micro Polishing Cleansing Infusion Hydrating Glow with crushed ginger and citrus extract. So this is a facial cleanser. And this is also a good sample size. Like these are more than samples. Like you can actually try these long enough to see if they work for you. And it's only a $7 box so far. I'm liking this. Let's see. It says, hint, after rinsing off, splash face with cold water to shrink pores and improve blood circulation. I've heard that before. Sometimes I try and do cold water at the end of my shower, but it's kind of hard to do. I bet the temperature's better controlled with this thing, so I'll have to try that out. All right, and then I see Nivea body lotion, Shea Daily Moisture 48-hour smoothing moisture for dry skin. I've used this before, I believe, and I like it. Definitely good for dry skin, which I know is very common in those dry weather months like fall and winter. There's no tips or tricks on this, just use it like normal body lotion. Oh, and I have a tip. Apply body lotion within about a minute of getting out of the shower and it absorbs better. Try that out, I think it really helps. Ooh, a charcoal and magnesium deodorant. I have had charcoal toothpaste recently, but now there's charcoal deodorant. I wonder if it's dark, so this doesn't have that grippy tape on it, so it'll be easier to try. No, it's not very dark. It's like a light gray. It smells fresh. Interesting, let's see. So it says it's free of aluminum, propylene glycol, parabens, phthalates, and artificial fragrance, certified vegan and cruelty-free. Awesome. I try to avoid aluminum, especially in all those nasty ingredients they said in my deodorants, because it's so close to your blood supply, your armpits, so yeah. I'm excited to try a new smart one because they're getting better. I know back in the day when I would use natural deodorants, they didn't really work well. Like maybe if you weren't moving at all, you know, like a lazy day, but like if you sweat a lot, at least for me, because I'm a sweater and I live in 90 degrees weather in Florida, it just, a lot of them didn't work, but I've noticed them getting better. Like I got one from Influencer recently and that works longer. Still maybe not as effective as the ones with all the chemicals, but they're effective enough, I think. So I'm excited to try that one out. And this is a facial mist, ooh, by Garnier Skin Active. So they've kind of branched out, haven't they? I feel like we've gotten other stuff for facials stuff, like a face mask last month or something. I don't know if that was in this box or the Walgreens. I don't know, I get so many boxes. But this is a soothing facial mist with the rose water. Let's see. It says layer face mist between your skincare and foundation regimen for an even dewier glow. It's a vegan face mist. I said mist. I can't speak. Infused with rose water that lightly hydrates and rejuvenates so skin feels soothed and refreshed. You can't see how much is in there because there's that white outer layer, but let's see what the mist is like. It wasn't too heavy of a mist. I did kind of concentrate it in like one area, but yeah, more. It smells really good and it's not too heavy that I just put it over my makeup, so hopefully that's okay, but so far feels good. And I think that's everything. Oh, there's one other thing. I was like, there's a piece of paper that goes for a primer. I'm like, I didn't get a primer. There's a primer in here. A L'Oreal Voluminous Primer Base. This is, it says, oh, it's for your eyes. An eyelash primer. Apply mascara while eyelashes are still damp from the primer for a little extra bit of lift and fullness. Oh, I'm excited to try this. I only have one other eyelash primer right now and it's a sample size, so I'm in need actually. Usually I have multiples of everything, so it's exciting. So overall, I think this beauty box was worth $7. These are all pretty good size samples or whatever you want to call them, deluxe size items. I'm excited about it. $7 or a little bit less because I have a red card, like $6 and something cents free shipping. Yes, awesome. So I'm just gonna move right on to the next one. This is the facial box or something. They'll probably say, let's see. It says, hello, quench and glow. So after a long summer of fun in the sun, skin and hair can suffer from major dehydration and discoloration. To the rescue, a hydrating mask which help revitalize and treat a seasonally stressed complexion and mane. Inside this box, you'll find a few of our faves that work overtime to quench thirsty tresses and parched skin, restoring your gorgeous glow. Try them out, and if you love them as much as we do, find the full-size version at Target.com. Okay. And again, get another $3 off coupon that is good to the end of the month for purchases over $15 or more. And there's some tips and tricks and all that. So pretty similar, it's different items. This is what it looks like on the inside. And the first thing I see is by Lumene Hydration Recovery Aerating Gel Mask for all skin types. And this is what it looks like, let's see. It says on here, for skin in need of an extra boost, uses an intensive rescue by applying a thin layer to sink in overnight. Oh, that's a good idea. So this looks like you might be able to get a couple uses out of it. Because it is like a packet, but I don't know. I'll let you guys know if you want. Just let me know in the comment section, but I have a feeling you can get at least 2 uses out of this, maybe 3. The next thing I see is by Tresemme, the Keratin Smooth Deep Smoothing Mask with marula oil. I received a hair mask like this, sample like this before, and you really don't need much with these hair masks because a little bit goes a long way, and you apply from like the mid section of your hair to the ends. You can put a little bit by your area, but you don't need to go heavy there. Some people just do it on the bottom so it doesn't weigh it down. And I still have some left. I use it like once a week, so it's probably almost out, so I'm glad I got this to try out. It says, for a trick, after applying, cover with the shower cap, then wrap in a hot towel. This helps the product diffuse through the hair cuticle faster. Interesting. So do you put towels in microwaves, or how do you do that? I mean, I'm guessing that's safe, right? But let me know if you guys ever heat up towels. I guess I could just like place it outside. I don't know. Anyways, the next thing I see is Mask Bar Rose Gold Foil Peel Off Mask. Ooh, I don't think I have any peel off masks. I wonder if this is one you actually literally peel off. This is what it looks like. Where are you? It says, this is enriched with natural fruit extracts that aid in purifying and soothing to brighten and soften skin. And a hint says, is applying face toner after masking locks in ingredients for plumper, younger looking skin. I always thought you're supposed to put toner on before, so maybe you put it on after it also. Or I think you put toner on before sheet masks. Yeah, that's it. So I guess if you're only using a sheet mask, you do the toner before. If you're using like another type of mask, like a peel off or wash off, yeah, that makes sense. Put the toner on after because you're just gonna wash it off anyways. But anyway, okay, moving on. Ooh, Mist Spa Energize, Awakening, but Invigorate 1 pre-treated facial sheet mask. Results in 20 minutes. So here's a sheet mask where you would put on your toner before. Yes. Says apply to clean skin and let sit for 20 minutes, then remove and pat the excess serum into skin. So this is supposed to boost skin's moisture levels and protect against environmental stressors. And this is good enough for daily use. Or not good enough, it's suitable for daily use. Alright, and then that looks like the last item is by Acure, Welcome to Skin Wellness, Brilliantly Brightening Biocellulose Mask. Made with niacinamide and kale for all skin types. 100% vegan, 0% questionable. So it's free of all the yucky stuff and it's cruelty free, it's vegan. Sounds good to me. And I like the packaging. Health is beautiful, that is true. All right, so this is for dullness. And this has unique biocellulose fibers that evenly distribute the antioxidant powers of vitamin C, kale, and cucumber for refreshed and soothed skin. Nice. So let's see how many masks we get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you get 5 masks. So a little over $1 each. I think sheet masks do cost a couple of dollars each. So I feel like maybe for me, since I have such a large mask collection, but I do wear them often, so I'm always wanting more. But maybe the beauty box is better value. But seriously, for both of that, I got all of this for $13 and free shipping. So I'm super excited to try this stuff out. I really love sheet masks and everything. I think this one's so cute. I want to try the peel-off mask. I love everything. There's nothing I'm disappointed by. So yeah. Did you guys get these boxes? Does everyone get the same thing in their boxes? I think last month when I watched other videos, we did get the same items. But I would love to know if you got anything different or anything, any thoughts you have. But again, I will leave the link below, and thank you so much for stopping by. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.